Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or deactivate your TikTok account step by step using your laptop or desktop browser. First, open your browser and go to tiktok.com, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select View Profile. When your profile page opens, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with different options. Scroll down until you find More and click on it. A box will pop up showing a few options like TikTok Studio, Get Coins, Create TikTok Effect, and more. This will take you to your settings page. From there, click on Manage Account. Inside the Manage Account section, you'll find the option that says Deactivate or Delete Account. Go ahead and click on that. Click Continue. TikTok will show you a warning message explaining that once you delete your account, it will be deactivated for 30 days before being permanently removed. During those 30 days, your account won't be visible to others, and after that, all your videos, likes, followers, and data will be gone for good. If you're sure about your choice, click Continue. TikTok may ask you to verify your account by sending a code to your phone or email. Just enter the code and confirm. After that, click Continue again and finally select either Deactivate or Delete. Once you do, your account will be deactivated or deleted depending on what you chose. And that's it. You have learned how to delete or deactivate your TikTok account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.